Dan Acre here, Weapons Curator and Operations Manager at the Ontario Regiment Museum, located in Oshawa, Ontario. Please come and visit us when we're past this COVID-19 thing. Continuing in our little discussion of infantry weapons and actually cavalry weapons as well, we get to the Martini Henry. This was developed in 1871 and was manufactured until 1889. And this is the next version. We saw the Schneider Enfield, which was sort of a transitional from a muzzle-loading rifle to a breech-loading rifle. Now we have a full breech-loading rifle. So this weapon is actually fairly nice. You basically see there's a groove here. What you would do is you would pull down. When that happens, you'll notice that there's two extractors here, spring-loaded extractors, which throw the empty case out if there's one in there, which comes to the rear. You take the next round, put it in, and you're ready to fire. So all of a sudden, what you have is your weapon is a lot more simple, fewer actions to reload. Again, the advantages of a breech loading. Rifle means that you have a longer range. You're also able to fire from cover. And to load in the kneeling position, the prone position, whatever. It really didn't matter. So what we're seeing that the weapons are firing faster and more accurately as time goes along. We'll cover the next weapon in the series, which is going to be the Enfield family, in a few minutes. Thank you.